It's recording.
We love to have a tennis
Hey
stick
guys.
because this big bastard.
That's my joke, man. That's my joke, man.
Tell it again, because guys, like, we made some friends on the train ride. And this is my friend. What's your name?
My name's anything you want to call me, Tom.
Oh, I want to call him my love. So, tell your joke. Right.
So you asked me to film it?
Yeah, is it okay if we film you for my blog? Because my boyfriend Craig, he'll want to see what I'm up to when I'm in a different country. Because I'm from Virginia originally.
Virginia?
I'm
Do
from
you still
Virginia.
have that?
West Virginia, I mean.
No, do you still have that though?
Is that Virginia shaving
That's very
or not?
inappropriate, of course.
You do?
I'm very pure. Craig would never defile me in that way. It's very awkward.
Is that Virginia shaving? Is it?
Why are you talking? You're talking
and the skies are green.
Okay, so why don't you tell us about your day and what you're doing on this train?
Well, we're doing this film. We're going home.
Okay, and you live in
Glasgow.
Glasgow, because that's like where we go to school and we study Shakespeare and like we eat digestives and things there.
Stella?
We drink. We
Well,
drink.
the wussies drink Heineken. The real people drink.
They drink
Stella.
Stella.
Stella. What? Right, good.
Put the camera away.
Get your camera
Don't.
I was going to do that.
This is literally the most awkward train ride of my entire life, where I just managed to offend
strong argument.
the woman sitting over there and she'll Stella and digest one more time. I'm gonna cry.
To me, it's just what's up. Not jumping forward.
In New York.
I'm gonna cry. She does not understand that I was being too mean. I'm gonna die tonight.
No, not yet. You can tell Motherwell there's like 3 tenement flats
Over soon.
lined up to each other.
Alright, wait for it. She's gonna say it again soon.
If she sees the camera, we'll die.
Just get up and Motherwell. And let the real Glaswegians get on with journey.
Exactly.
Aye, but we live there by choice, not by birth. By the way, do you want a chocolate digestive before you go home?
No, McVitie's. Glasgow. Used to be Beatties, they came for Clyde Bank, so.
Do you want a chocolate digestive before you get off?
Some stuff with Beatties ones,
Cheerio, 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 cheerio.
Is Ewan leaving?
Bye,
Ewan.
No, you can't shove your granny off the bus. Oh, you can't shove your granny, cause she's your mammy's mammy. You can't shove your granny off the bus.
There it is.
That is defending the indefensible.
That was even though it's
We try saying to me, I love drinking Stella. fucking hell, I'm going to video this and show you. Right?